Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Killer Whale free strategy and classic template. So first we're going to go over to the marketplace. We're going to go to strategies. In the sort by strategies, we're going to sort by most sales downloads. You'll see Killer Whale is the second most downloaded strategy on Cryptohopper. Go ahead and click on it. Click download and auto update. Next, you're going to go back over to the marketplace navigation on the left navigation bar, and we're going to go to templates. You can find the classic template by searching in the top, Killer Whale, and then you can sort just by templates. And in this example, we're going to use the classic Kucoin template. Go ahead and click download and auto update. Next, we're going to go to the config and then base config tab. Go ahead and go to the actions tab in the top right corner. Click load template, and then you're going to upload the template that you just downloaded, Killer Whale template Kucoin USDT. Click load template. Then you're going to go to strategy. We're going to turn signals only off, and then we're going to select Killer Whale free strategy. Go ahead and hit save. Come back over to your dashboard. In this example, we're going to be using paper trading, so go ahead and click on deposit USDT. And then for this example, we're going to upload $2,500. Once your deposit is complete, go ahead and enable your hopper. Once you enable your hopper, you'll see that you have $2,500 of paper dollars, and your strategy is searching for targets. And that's it. Shortly you should begin seeing some trades come through, and that is how you set up Killer Whale free strategy with the classic template. Killer Whale changed the way you trade.